You should all be beaming with pride. The foundation you're building will be the key to unlocking your full potential in Mr. Ash Mufareh's new company. And let's be real, with a foundation this strong, success is a foregone conclusion. You'll be the ones that others look up to, and they'll be eager to learn from your experiences. The tables will be turned and you'll be the ones in demand. Keep shining your light and spreading positivity.
2026 is here.
Take a look at the ground beneath your feet. Every brick you laid, every challenge you meet. You've been working in the shadows, fueled by a dream, but now you're coming together, a powerhouse team. The world didn't see the sweat and the time, but you're standing at the base of a mountain you'll climb. In the house of victory with Ash, the doors are open wide. You got the spirit and the fire inside. No more doubt, no more looking back. We're moving forward on a brand new track. So stand up tall, be beaming with pride. The power you hold is a rising tide. With a foundation this strong, we already know success is a conclusion. Watch the seeds grow. Yeah, the tables are turning, the lights on you, unlocking the potential in everything you do. They'll be looking your way, eager to hear how you conquer the struggle and master the fear. Your story is the blueprint, your journey's the key. You're the leaders of the future for everyone to see. You're the ones in demand, the ones at the top. Once this momentum starts, it's never gonna stop. Keep shining that light, let the world feel the heat, spreading positivity to everyone you meet. It's a foregone conclusion, it's written in the stars. The foundation is solid and the future is ours. So stand up tall, be beaming with pride. The power you hold is a rising tide. With a foundation this strong, we already know success is a conclusion. Watch the seeds grow. Yeah, the tables are turning, the lights on you, unlocking the potential in everything you do. Keep shining your light, you're the ones in demand. Beaming with pride, yeah, we're beaming with pride. In the house of victory with Ash, the doors are open wide. So stand up tall.